Effortlessly master Photoshop's generative AI, the new tech you'll want all for yourself. With the first online Firefly class from Korea, master everything you need to know, from Firefly's key features to practical design tips. Hello. I am Graphic Artist Nakta. I work on diverse freelance projects based on digital artwork and collaborations with brands like Coex and Hyundai Department Store. I also hold exhibitions internationally, including in the US, Japan, and France. Create the exact image you're imagining, with simple text descriptions. Study everything from the fundamentals of the most powerful update in Adobe's history, to various designs using Photoshop's AI features. Discover how to create artwork for fantasy scenes, posters, and web pages, through 18 hands-on, step-by-step exercises. Become a highly productive designer by gaining Firefly proficiency and practical design skills simultaneously. I am Graphic Artist Nakta. I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.